Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this is a playmat from the brand Famokids. Not only is it so beautiful, but it's extremely comfortable for my little one. This is the pattern in amber beige, and it's so beautiful. I love that you can use just 4 tiles instead of the 6 in case you're in an area with smaller space. If you want to take it to a different room, you can. It's really easy to take apart and to put back together. The edges are very smooth, and I love the thickness of it. My little one is able to do tummy time on here. He loves it way better, not being restricted. There's a lot more space for him to practice rolling over and to play with his toys, and it doesn't hurt his back. I don't have to worry about his little head being on a hard surface. I love that the playmat is non-toxic. Right out of the box, it didn't have any weird smells or anything, and it's also very easy to clean, which is really important, especially since my little one is always drooling all over the place. So if you're looking for a playmat that is not going to be an eyesore in your home, and you just want your little one to be able to meet those milestones like rolling, sitting, crawling without hurting themselves, definitely check out this playmat from Famokids. It's going to be one of the best purchases you make for your little one, and that's my point of view.